Hello, teacher. My name is Alfonso Jesús Anaya Barbosa. Planning your trip. Where are you going for vacation? I go on vacation to the beach of Coveñas. When are you going for vacation? I am going on vacation in December. How long are you going to be on vacation? I will take 3 weeks of vacation. Where are you going to stay? I will be in a cabin. What are you going to do? I am going to bathe in the beach to enjoy in a tour of the wonderful place it has. The Caimanera, Swan, the Tintipan Island, and Mucura. What are you going to wear? I will take swimwear and silver. How much money are you going to take? I will take 5 million. Who are you going with? I will go with my mom, dad, my daughter, and my girlfriend. Thanks very much.